Jai Hind, friends. Good morning to all. I hope you've been trading safely. Couple of things I think I should make you all aware. Let me just open another. So here, if you notice, if you remember the the main thing I would want to highlight, the India Wix. If you remember a couple of weeks back when I had made, I think yeah, this. So I had mentioned that it has made a low doesn't mean it is going to be there, and I wouldn't be surprised if VIX will go to 40 uh, levels also. So we've been noticing it is going up quite some time. In fact, this previously also I think I have mentioned, but I had shared this level. It didn't really move above that level, came back, and now it has been heading quite you know slowly but progressing step by step. And we are a couple of trading sessions away from the 4th of June, which is exit polls. And I also have mentioned in a couple of groups, I wouldn't be surprised if we see big massive moves in index. Uh, so here I want to just highlight one thing. See, there is a gap here. Okay, most of the know now in index, the market tends to close this gap. So there is a quite a good chance, but this is also going to be a very strong support area. All right. If at all during this exit pulse, if it hits near this levels, 20,800 or 21,000, there will be a very strong rally upwards, and we may see 25,000 levels, or rather, at least the time it touches these levels, there is a possibility that we see a good strong green candle. But we will have to see. There are a lot of other things we need to check. Okay, it doesn't just the charts. If you look at just charts and then trade, I'm sure you will make a lot of errors. Having said that, uh, what is that I'm expecting today? I'm expecting a possibility of a gap down. But this level of 49,000 is a very strong level. 49,864 or 860, 880 to be precise, or 888 to be precise. Below this level, I see expect price to go up to 48,670, or let me just go to a low time frame that you should be able to. So below the levels of 48,888, right? We can expect 48,750, 48,560 also. So don't go by these lines because this would be previous levels and all that. So the levels are generally there in our minds, because we have calculated them, according to our data and the algo trades. Because algo trades will gives you a live what is happening in the market. It gives you the how where the big players are entering and exiting, right? Yesterday, if you notice, Fin Nifty was quite range boundish. Now Bank Nifty was heading down. We did make some good profit in Bank Nifty. We had these trades 49,200 right at morning itself. We had added couple of lots, and in fact we are having we are having Nifty uh, puts on the June expiry. Well, we also traded Jubilant Food put side. We also traded on the long side, and people were really surprised. You know how this is. So this is the Jubilant call which we took by 75 above 24. This went to 33. So we had a lot of trades, and let us see today how we will perform. I would like to share the stocks for today. I'm looking at LNT for intraday because it's been, if you notice this, the pattern which is created, which should see some nice good breakout either side. And all this we look at intraday options. We don't normally hold positions. If we do it with a hedge, a different strategy. We did on the Jubilant before the result, and we made a decent profit on both the call side and slightly on the put side. If you ask my view on TVS Motors, if you see, it is not. It has formed a nice, I think, inverse head and shoulder. This is the head, and these are the shoulders. These two are the shoulders. A nice move it has given. We whoever has got this rally, I'm sure would have made some decent profit. This is Balakrishna Industries. Kind, if you notice, it has formed a flag pattern. So doesn't mean this flag pattern is made. It will come tomorrow. We'll buy and wait. We have to wait for this breakout. Okay, and then TCS. I'm looking at TCS for 33,750, 740 levels where I would start doing SIP and look for good trade. When I say good trade, I might expect targets of. So let's see what is that I expect. This is a pattern which is forming. We should see almost here. I think we should start because let's see. I think yes, we should start adding now. We should look. We might see some more down. So this is a level. We should see what I'm expecting. So this is for the swing trade or short term, whatever you can call it as. And we see some pharma has been moving down very strongly after it formed, or rather once it didn't break this level. It strongly moved. This was the level I think. Didn't break, it's gone down. That's why I somehow, though I believe in patterns, sometimes these patterns don't work always. But then if you see it, the moment it broke down, it's given a good, nice trade. If you ask me a view for intraday, I'm possibly looking to go long on this now for intraday, provided there are further factors. So REC, if you have seen the higher time frame, a nice flag breakout here. I'll show you another stock, which of course it made a very. Look at this candle here, and then a gap down, and then a superb rally. Exide Industries. This is again the flag pattern, and then so we booked 512, 508 actually, few and then 512. So Balram Chini, I'm again looking. I'm looking at. If you see again this pattern I had mentioned, I think I've already drawn. Expected this long move. The only thing is you might not be able to make the exact entries according to. You'll have to join our service where because we will see here. If you see this strong upside, so we will wait for this. What happens here? Decide according to the algos. Because for me, live trade is what I like. Now, if you ask my view, what is it? It is forming. It is kind of forming a channel down. It's made a small breakout. It's given a good rally so far. It is now retesting this level. We should possibly see this trend line. We will wait for the trend line. We will not decide. Okay, that the trend line is a strong area. No, please, no speculations. Do not predict the market. Market is the king. Let it decide. What did I say? Market. Sorry. Market is the king. Let it decide where it wants to go. No speculation. A lot of people, okay, market can go this side, Nifty can go here, my Nifty can go. And then, a lot of people follow that. Once or twice, yes, it works. And then one day it doesn't work, you take a loss. Either just also follow the charts. Do you think this is going to fall down? Is this a strong support area? Wait and watch today. I'll share, of course, the pre-market levels of I will be sharing to my subscribers. I will show you today end of day in a short video. SBI again I'm looking at. If you ask my view, SBI slightly I would think of going down. A short covering rally happening in HDFC Bank so far. Uh, in fact, ICICI Bank short covering rally I see noticed. Then we have GSW Steel, which has made a nice rally so far. Now we're waiting for a breaker. So we will see next niche issues. We taking expiry. I mean to say, it's just the premiums are going to be very high. So we will have to take the next month expiries. So just take care of that. Uh, I've already mentioned what I expect in Bank Nifty. There's a strong possibility we may have a gap down opening, and I'm sure. So in Nifty, when it comes, what my let me just show you the levels in Nifty. What I'm expecting for intraday. If price is able to sustain 72,911, then we should expect 22,966. Sorry, 946, and then above that 22,9. Sorry, 22,988. But I mentioned I'm expecting a gap down, so 22,855 if we open, or 48 if we open below, then I expect price down for go up to 806. Below that 22,788. So we'll keep these levels and see how it works. These are important levels for as of today for intraday. Uh, on the long term, Bank Nifty, I was expecting this to hit 49, but it's slightly struggling to keep itself up. And let's see if there's a gap down. I don't see a short covering rally because there's a gap down. Don't expect that. If at all I get an opportunity, if it moves up 49 to 30, then or even it forms this pattern. Uh, if it moves make this pattern here, then I'm planning to go short. I will be more peaceful, taking a trade if it moves up like this. This is what I will then expect, or rather I will look to go short. I don't but however, there's let us see if suddenly the market decides to do something, we will go according to market, we will go up also. But 50,000 was what I was expecting. It doesn't seem to have broke. I mean, it touched this level and then came down. We did make a good profit on this particular day, this on the call side and even on the put side. So we will do it today as well. I hope our channel has been helpful. I had mentioned to all viewers to go to the playlist. Let me show you what is there in the playlist. Go to the playlist. Don't miss it out. Uh, Go to the playlist. I made a couple of videos. See, there's no point in me making more videos. I want you to all to go through this at least. Okay.
Reliance Industries Limited.
So, what are the good portfolio stocks? Mastering swing training part one and two, and then best in technical indicator. One of them I get. Once I get more subscribers, more views, then I will share a couple of more beautiful indicators which are there free of cost. Also, there's another indicator which we are currently developing, awesome indicator which gives buy and sell. We will be sharing that. We are just back testing it. We have already started, of course, sharing it with friends and seeing how what are the loopholes to further modify the indicator, the coding, if or anything to be subtracted or added. So thanks, friends, for joining in. Good day, and happy. Wish you a happy, profitable day. I hope you make good profits today. And just remember, market is going to be highly volatile. Yesterday, if you notice, it went up, down. See here, I think this was, yeah, it moved down and then went up and then again moved up. So, got to be cautious. God bless you all.